What a week for the internet computer, and by extension, for everyone watching how decentralized tech keeps reshaping itself. From perpetual futures and AI built wallets to on chain memes and the Web3 version of your inbox, the internet computer has been quietly, or maybe not so quietly, showing what next gen blockchain utility actually looks like. Before we start, a quick note: you can now support independent crypto journalism by donating directly to Ledger Life. Every contribution helps us keep covering projects like these with clarity and context, not hype. So let's start with the big one. After months of speculation and a few tongue in cheek memes, the internet computer has officially entered the world of perpetual futures trading. The listing went live on Friday evening, courtesy of Aster DEX, which launched ICP perpetuals with up to 10x leverage. It wasn't a solo act either. Aster rolled out a triple listing that included AR with up to 5x leverage and FIL with up to 10x. Traders can earn 1.2x trading points until 14th November, part of a short term rewards campaign designed to kickstart liquidity. On Aster's platform, ICP USDT opened at around $9.03, showing a 17% daily gain and logging 1.26 million USDT in 24-hour trading volume. Open interest sits near 342,000 USDT, small but respectable for a fresh listing. Across spot markets, ICP's price has been volatile, swinging between $7.30 and $9.39 in the past day. The token now carries a market cap just over $5 billion dollars with nearly $1.7 billion dollars in trading volume over 24 hours. Still, not everyone is celebrating. On X, Dow Kingdom posted a sarcastic congratulations to Definity's so-called Gen 3 blockchain, mocking what some see as a delayed move into derivatives, a corner of DeFi that's long been dominated by Bitcoin and Ethereum. But whether you view it as late or timely, it's a necessary evolution. Derivatives are where serious liquidity forms. They are how traders hedge, speculate, and discover real price levels. For ICP, which has spent years focusing on infrastructure rather than leverage, this could finally bridge that gap between developer innovation and market activity. There is even chatter that ICP could be next in line for a hyper liquid listing, which is one of the most active perpetual dexes in crypto. If that happens, expect deeper liquidity and a much louder narrative around ICP's maturing market presence. For now, it's a volatile but interesting start. The kind of listing that draws both critics and converts, and that's exactly what keeps markets alive. From futures to functions, the next big development comes from Onicai's co-founder and CTO, who has been experimenting with Caffeine AI, a natural language-driven development tool on the internet computer. His latest creation is a prototype wallet called FUNNAI, which just rolled out its first phase as FUNNAI Explorer. Using simple language prompts, the developer connected several on-chain features, including live ledger exploration, real-time USD price, tracking via ICP Swap's REST API, and token metadata visualization pulled straight from the blockchain. Even the design, complete with a custom animated IRA coin logo, and favicon was built and rendered through Caffeine's interface. Caffeine AI essentially lets you describe the app you want to build, and it handles everything from front-end design to on-chain logic and deployment. In Fun AI's case, the wallet's early version already shows that even a solo developer can create a functional, visual, and responsive blockchain application in hours, not weeks. The idea is to eventually evolve Fun AI into a full user controlled wallet for asset management and token interaction, something lightweight, open, and fully decentralized. More than the product itself, this experiment showcases a shift in how developers can use AI to bridge creativity and code. It's not about automating everything, it's about letting builders focus on ideas while AI handles the plumbing. And that's a trend we are seeing everywhere in Web3 right now. A move from can it be done to how fast can it go live. Speaking of creative experiments, another project made its way onto the internet computer this week, one that perfectly captures crypto's sense of humor. developer Amspeed has launched a Caffeine AI built Web3 app called Wall of Shame. The concept is simple but brilliant. Users can applaud and immortalize their favorite I told you so moments like the screenshots, predictions, and receipts that prove they were right when others doubted them. Each post becomes a permanent tamper-proof image on-chain hosted on the link given in the description below. You can browse other users' uploads or create your own wall by logging in with Internet Identity, ICP Secure Authentication System. The project takes inspiration from Crypto Wizard, a creator known for mixing humor with blockchain culture. By turning that concept into a decentralized gallery, Wall of Shame reminds us that Web3 isn't just about finance or infrastructure. It's about preserving digital culture, and the beauty is in its simplicity. Caffeine AI handled the heavy lifting from file storage logic to interface generation, letting the developer focus entirely on the fun part, like turning a meme into a product. It's this kind of experimentation that makes the internet computer interesting again. It's not always about big funding rounds or multi chain integrations. Sometimes it's just a good laugh written permanently on chain. Next up, nostalgia gets a Web3 twist. Developer LiveSurgeon33 has recreated the classic Pac-Man game entirely on the internet computer using Caffeine AI. The result is ICPacman, live now at the link given in the description below. It's fully playable, complete with a leaderboard that tracks player scores on chain. It's still a prototype. The developer mentioned a few bugs yet to fix, but it's already impressive. Caffeine AI handled everything from the game logic to leaderboard integration, meaning no traditional coding was needed. The game runs fully on chain without central servers or external dependencies, showing what decentralized entertainment can look like. I see Pac Man is more than a nostalgic callback. It's a statement. Blockchain can host interactive content, not just tokens and NFTs. It's about reimagining the web as a programmable playground where ownership, transparency, and interactivity merge. For developers, it's proof that AI assisted development can make building on chain games accessible. For players, it's proof that Web3 doesn't have to be complicated to be fun. The line between developer and gamer just got a lot thinner. To round things off, let's talk about something that sounds ordinary but could change how digital communication works altogether. The Dmail Network is rethinking email not as a service but as an economy. Their concept is simple. Senders stake tokens to reach recipients, and recipients earn for engaging with messages. Every email becomes a digital asset with measurable value. It's a complete inversion of the old model. For decades, email has been free because you were the product. Your data, your attention, your time. Dmail flips that around. In its world, attention is yield. The platform introduces what it calls programmable communication, where every interaction like send, read, reply can trigger smart contracts or token rewards. That means spam literally costs money, engagement earns rewards, and ownership of communication finally returns to users. Underneath, the email system runs on four key proofs. Proof of attention, where senders pay and readers earn. Proof of storage, rewarding nodes for encrypted message hosting. Proof of identity, replacing email accounts with wallet based authentication. And the last one is proof of engagement, turning participation data into additional yield. Together, these mechanics transform the inbox into a decentralized marketplace, one that connects communication, identity, and capital. It's a big idea with real implications. DAOs could use it for proposal voting. Creators could reward loyal subscribers. Users could literally earn from reading. And since everything is verifiable on chain, spam becomes unprofitable overnight. In Dmail's words, your inbox becomes the protocol. Your messages are programmable, your data is yours, and your time finally pays back. It's a bold move and one that fits perfectly into the broader theme this week, that is giving everyday internet functions an economic backbone. That's all for this week on Ledger Life. The internet computer continues to surprise, blending AI, DeFi, and culture in ways few projects are matching right now. Thanks for watching, and if you would like to explore any of the projects mentioned, all the links are in the description. Stay tuned.